Hello there. This is just a quick post, and it's to answer an important question that's been cropping up recently. I suppose it's a philosophical question, and if you don't understand, then you don't understand the heart of what we're trying to do here. And what I'm talking about is the DNA samples that we're planning on preserving in our refrigeration units. Now, long-time followers will know the problems that we've been through in sourcing the DNA and how difficult it is in dealing with the genetic science labs, because they're very sensitive when it comes to their stock, and they won't even hear about it leaving the premises.
Yeah, the stupid twats want to kill us all. But they'll be preserving their DNA until the floodwaters cover their head, the fannies.
So, some people have been asking, why do we need the DNA in the first place? Well, and I mean, who's going to turn the DNA into a living, breathing animal after everything else has drowned? I mean, we don't have the technology, but it's a good, fair question.
Yeah, if you just explain this. Right, a lab like the Frozen Ark at Nottingham University collects the DNA of endangered species for research and storage purposes against the possibility that actual animals might become extinct. Now, they don't have the science to turn DNA into creatures, neither do we. But what we do have is the belief that someone might do in the future. Think of the boat, right? The new ark, or like whatever name you want to give it. Think of it as a library in a world where everyone is illiterate. The books are there until people learn to read. Everything about our modern society is so day to day, fucking hand to mouth. We're looking at our future because our governments won't. There's so much variety on this planet, and we have a chance to save just a tiny proportion of that. We don't want to just save ourselves. We want to save as much of the world we live in from the coming terrible disaster on May the 21st. Now, if you get that, you might have a chance of coming with us.
100%.